Hi everyone, myself Srinivas Boda. Today I am going to explain you about the Android application which I developed called Alumni. Before getting into the application part, let me explain you about my website where many alumni students join in a single podium to share their ideas, stories and the experience about the success and failures which is more worthy for the current grad students in the education life. Even alumni meet can also be conducted with the help of this website. As this is the extension of my previous project, I had developed my application with the help of the Node.js and MongoDB server for developing this application. As this is an Android project, even Android Studio played a crucial role to implement this. With some more models, cookie parser and explanation and express session is used for login and logout details. Let me explain something about my code part. Here in the code, the express body parser and the cookie parser express session is used for login and logout details, and in the line 25 is used for, which shows I am connecting to the MongoDB which is installed on local computer, and alumni user is a DB instance created for this application. And in the line and in the line 125 is used for this thing, for login credentials, and then the line 136 is for an authorizing my user credentials later, and in the line 214 indicates that I had set here application to listen on port 8081, and I even used some of the HTML for my web pages. All this contains under alumni story server.js. In order to initiate my Mongo database, let's go to the command prompt. Let's go to the command prompt to redirect MongoDB bin location. And then run MongoDB path where DB files are stored. /# alumni data, where we can see over here on port 2707 where the connections are available. And after that, open the another command prompt where node.js server has to be started. In order to do that, node navigate a code to where it has located, and application start listening. Takes some time actually. Here the message indicates node.js web server started listening on port 8081. Then after that, let me go into the Android part and explain you something. Here I have done it already by importing my project. Over here, web error, as you can see here, launcher activity, web error activity, activity launcher and activity web and activity web error. XML file, where you can see on the activity, on a web activity, where you can see the alumni web view page loader loading, and on the web error too, here you can see URL and the change URL, where here is it, you can go that. Then after importing the project, let me start with running with the emulator. It takes some time to run the emulator. As you can see over here, it's a great executing task, and usually it depends on RAM speed too. As my RAM speed is 4 GB, it takes much more time. As I think everything is fine with the with the with the launching thing, now we need to go and click the run button. It takes some time to enable the emulator. As you can see over here, the emulator has been launched. Usually depends on the user version, whether you can take either an Nexus 5 or a Nexus 4 or any other device, whichever you like. So as of my interest, I'm taking the Nexus 5, so I'm implementing here and press OK. It takes some time to implement emulator, such that here you can see over here, like Nexus 5 net speed full, net delay none. It surely indicates that it will launch within a few minutes within HAX and everything. As you can see over here, it's an HAC is working, and emulator runs in fast word mode, where it indicates the emulator will be launching within a few minutes. Yeah, here it indicates that emulator had been launched, and it takes some time. The starting page of the here, by looking at the Android, you can see the emulator has been started, and after that the home screen will be available. As after waiting for some time, here you can see that the application will be starting within a few seconds. Yeah, here you can see over here, it's like with the time and the respective thing, and it takes as it is enabled right now, it takes some time to get, and I will be swiping this upside, such that swiping it once again. As I swiped it upside, now my application has been loaded automatically. It's by default as per the program. It takes some time to load with the application. Yeah, here you can see my application has been loaded, and some more files are loading by looking at the screen over here. It takes some more time to load exactly. Before that, before going to that, let me explain you something here. Here the screen which you are looking, it's a email part and the password. This can be available before that. If you have an account in the alumni website, so that you can go with that, and you can go with the email and the password part. Later you can go to submit, and it automatically redirects to the right post page. As I pressed the menu bar here, I can see over here like join, read story, write a post, more, sign up, login and log out session. As I indicated earlier, my RAM speed is too slow. It takes some more time to get into the actual registration part. This is the page, this is the starting page, how it looks. As we missed it before in the video, this is the starting page, how it looks. It's been loaded almost like as soon as the application launch, it redirects to the login page. Register with the if we click the register, with that giving you credentials and register, then submit later, redirects to the post, redirects to this thing, write a post and submit. If you have an account already, log to the login and enter your email ID and password. It redirects the post page with your username. Later, even you can read a story of other participants as you log into your page and write a post, and even if you click even with the more, even you can go even you can contribution for meetup about any alumni part of our website, where as you can see over here, it's a contribution part, as you can contribute for many other events as of now. And on the contractors page, even the contractors page has been developed. With any other address for queries too. Coming to the code part, here in a web activity page, here you can see text view, progress bar, web view, string, and with an IP address 10.0.10 with 8081. After entering this, it in your either in your emulator or else in a code, it automatically enables us to launch this thing, emulator. For seeing the database where the data is saved, here we can do one thing. Open a command prompt, and then the port will be opened, this, and the port, as soon as application opens. As I said earlier, it's even too slow with my this thing, and it's even running. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.